In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images in Figma Slides. By the end, you'll be able to place, and position images cleanly in your deck without breaking your layout. First, start on your Figma homepage. This is where all your files and presentations live. From here, open the slide deck you want to edit. If you work across multiple projects, make sure you're opening the correct file so your changes go to the right place. Once your deck is open, select the specific slide where you want the image to appear. Clicking the slide in the left sidebar focuses your edits, so anything you add will land on that slide and not somewhere else in the file. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct frame or slide title to avoid misplacing visuals. Now head to the top left of Figma and click the Figma icon to open the main menu. From that menu, choose File. This is where you'll find the tools that act on your current document. Next, select Place Image. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+Shift+K on Windows or Command+Shift+K on Mac. This opens your system file picker so you can choose the image you want to use. Supported formats like PNG and JPG work great for slides. After you've selected the image, your cursor will change to show a preview. Move to your slide and click and drag to draw the area where you want the image to sit. Dragging defines both the placement and the initial size, which helps you fit the image into your layout right away without extra steps. Aim for a clean margin so your slide stays balanced and readable. Once the image is on the slide, you can resize and reposition it as needed. Use the corner handles to scale while keeping the proportions intact. Holding Shift while dragging helps maintain aspect ratio if you need precision. If you want to grow or shrink from the center, hold Alt or Option as you drag. To fine-tune position, use your arrow keys to nudge the image a few pixels at a time. Keep an eye on Figma's smart guides. They'll snap you to edges and centers so your image aligns perfectly with text and other elements. That's all you need. You open your deck, choose the target slide, place the image, then adjust size and position for a polished finish. Follow these steps each time, and your slides will look organized, consistent, and ready to present.